Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to set different margin or padding for different devices like desktop, tablet, mobile in Avada theme in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using Avada theme and this is our Avada builder. So this is our page. So we are going to set different padding or margin for different devices. So this is a container column. So click on it and then you see design. So again click on it. Now you see margin padding for desktop. Now you see icon. So you can add margin and padding value according to requirement for desktop device. And then you see responsive. So this is a mobile icon, mobile layout. So click on it. So for mobile layout, you can add margin and padding for mobile layout. Now you see icon and then you see tablet. So click on it. So this is our tablet layout for margin and padding. So you can add margin and padding for tablet layout according to requirement. So you can add different margin and different padding for each device. Desktop, mobile, tablet in Avada theme, and we are using Avada builder. And then click on save and then click on update. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.